Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy.
Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nziki. Today it's Monday and we are a complex. Guys, let me show you what I'm wearing, guys. This top is from Identity. Jeans are from Mr. Price, and I'm wearing my Steve Maiden shoes. Then I'm gonna wear this from Shane. So I'm wearing this because it's chill outside, so I'm gonna wear this. I'm not sure if I want to show the full outfit outside, but then this is what I'm wearing. I made myself a green tea. Then said something before the other because I didn't eat anything since. As I was in the day, I cheese not cheese cool. No, I'm in a hurry, guys. Like noisy, I don't know why.
Iba bezuru, ne?
So I'm not going to else. I'm not going to
baby, this is what me want you. Mine up to time to sip on a cocky. Long till it bend like banana. Mine up to time to sip on a cocky. Long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Mine up to time to sip on a cocky. Long till it bend like banana. Your body put me up, it and coat it. Come in and make your soul no ask about it. Mine up your body, make me get your team fit. The bed in the room, but no ask about it. Like you say, give me and give your girl, sit down on it. Up in the bench and make me start it. But if it is a land, me I go park it. Let me take carnation in the market. Mine up your time to sip on a cocky. Long till it bend like banana. Mine up your time to sip on a cocky. Long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Mine up your time to sip on a cocky. It long till it bend like banana. Balance, over your two pint, 2 pint and 2 hands. Missionary woman that a nuisance. You demand one, cause your body not done out. You don't run it through queens and pulling up through ranks. You're full of substance, you're full of substance. That you me think out when you do me dog songs. So me no stay far, me can't keep me distance. Me have to tell you say for instance. Mine up your time to sip on a cocky. Long till it bend like banana. Mine up your time to sip on a cocky. Long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Mine up your time to sip on a cocky. It long till it bend like banana. No, I love you, please. Come spend a lifetime with me. Baby, yeah, me not.
my you want was to choose. But I think mara vele uzoyiqala vele ifuna anuhamba ngayo okokoko. Yo, andizokwazi nojela ndawo. Yhu, ingathi besingqubeka yaqale ngapha yana. Hey guys, I'm back from the complex and ndikhathele and akho nto bendiyoyenza. I think laa nto yokuhlala endlini ungenzi into yenzayo like uyapheka, uyaklina, uyatya. Ngapha une-stress so ungatholi umsebenzi opermanent like sesinye stress ke eso ke sana. Hey guys, let me make myself something to eat because nazi izinto bendiyozithatha but ke guys andizukwazi ukunibonisa ngoba ayizo zinto zam. Good morning guys, good morning. I think ixesha past 8 because angikwazi ujonga because ndisebenzisa le phone and ndibloga ngayo ujonga ixesha so oh yeah, 8:30 ndiyabona i-TV in 8:30. So guys, today it's Friday and ndizokwenza i-washing yengubo. I'm gonna wash i-bedding. And I'm so tired. I slept around past 11 yesterday. So sifaka washing machine while ndibusy ndihlamba. So sifaka washing machine then in the shower ndihlamba. And guys, it's that time of the month and your energy level is something. Yo, I was gonna go back dilale.
She don't like the rain. She don't like things crashing down. She won't make a play, baby. I bet that I can show you how. Saw her burning on the street, burning on the street. Smoke's my testimony, smoke's my testimony. Just don't stand so close to me, no, 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 no. Yeah. And that's the night you'll be my morning, body all day. Yeah. See, she got her own way to make things go. All of the things I tried to keep low, feeling like I've been changing. So what you doing being a stranger? Singing I got a ticket but I can't go. I need a place I can call my home, my home. Tell me where you are tonight, baby.
Yo, guys, I'm starving. Oh, I'm starving. Plus, the period pains is la. I'm done with my bedding, but I decided to wash my clothes as well, so that the weekend because tomorrow and Sunday is about free. Oh, guys, ngikhathele. And ndicinga ubana xa ndigqiba ukwenza i-washing yam sose ndikline ishawa ne-bathroom nalapha endlini so that kusasa ndizivukela around about 10. Ndizivukela around about 10, guys. Yo. Guys, let me make myself something to eat while I'm busy doing it on that side, so that xa ndigqiba laba ndiyaklina ke ngoku yom plus ne-bathroom plus nantoni enye. I think ndizopheka late. I think ndizopheka after. If ndizopheka, because I'm not sure. I'm done with my house chores. I'm done with the laundry, guys. And I baked as well. I baked some muffins. Thank you for watching this video up until this far, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you will enjoy it. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.